indicated elevated levels, especially across the windward slopes of the Koolau Range. The Department of Emergency Management also reported ongoing flooding impacts, especially in East Oahu. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Emergency Management. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. This warning includes the entire island of Oahu. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of drainage ditches and streams, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots.
No chia.
Go this way. You turn this way. Tiger. Turn this way.
Okay, give me.
Put it in there.
Again.
At 7:43 p.m., rainfall has eased across Oahu, but stream gauges still indicated elevated levels, especially across the windward slopes of the Koolau Range. The Department of Emergency Management also reported ongoing flooding impacts, especially in East Oahu. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Emergency Management. Impact: flooding
This
in
is going
drainages,
everywhere.
streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. This warning includes the entire island of Oahu. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of drainage ditches and streams, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots.
7:33 p.m. on January 30, 2025, effective until 11:13 p.m. Message from Mel. Okay. I don't know how to pronounce that. If anyone knows how to pronounce that, thank you.
Also reported ongoing flooding impacts, especially in East Oahu. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Emergency Management. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. This warning includes the entire island of Oahu.
What?
Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if
The
they
other
are
one
currently
is
dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of drainage ditches and streams, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots.
Be able to go out for break and